If you frequently use the same selection of stitches in your designs, you might like to reorder your stitch palette and folders to have your most frequently used stitches all together in one folder and have that folder pinned open all of the time to make it as easy as possible to access those stitches. So we're going to come to Preferences. If you're using a Mac, you'll find Preferences under the Stitch Mastery menu over in the top left, or on a Windows machine you'll find it under Tools. So we open Preferences and open the Stitch Libraries tab, choose the user libraries for version 3. Now if you haven't set up a user stitch library before, then follow the link in the description below this video to find out how to set that up. I'm going to choose my Stitch Mastery dot library and click Edit or View. And if we come to the palette view, then we can see all of our folders laid out. Now you can't reorder the folders themselves, but you can reorder the stitches within them. So for instance, if I used the make one right leaning and make one left leaning often, I might like to move them into the basic stitches, which is one of the top folders. And you can either do that by editing the stitch and then choosing the drawer from the drop down menu near the bottom of the edit stitch view. Or even simpler, you can use the move up or move down arrows. So I can move the left leaning one into the folder just like that. It goes over from the Knit Increases folder into the Basic Stitches folder. And I might want to rename the folder. We could call this Frequently Used Stitches. And if I choose Open Drawer at Startup and Pin Drawer Open at Startup, then that will mean if I click OK and apply and close. Now I might have to tell Stitch Mastery that I want to use my version 3 user library. So come to Diagram and Edit Diagram Properties. Choose the Stitch Library and Text Templates tab and then choose your user library that you want to use. I'll refresh text and key, although nothing should have changed. When I click OK, then we can see that my newly named Frequently Used Stitches folder is pinned open, so even if I open another folder, that one will stay open all the time. And I have my right and left leaning increased stitches in here.